Hello everyone. In this video you will listen some very short question answer related to chapter print culture. First question is, what were the three countries where printing technology developed? What were the three countries where printing technology developed? Answer is China, Japan and Korea. Next question. Explain wood block printing. Answer. Paper was rubbed against the inked surface of wood blocks. Paper was rubbed against the inked surface of wood block. Next question. What kind of books were written in China for new readership? Answer. New readership in China preferred fictional narratives, poetry, autobiology of literary masterpiece, and romantic plays. Next, did women also read or write in China? Answer. Rich women began to read and many women began publishing their poetry and plays. Wives of scholar officials published their works and courtesans wrote about their lives. Next, name the oldest printed Japanese book. Answer is Buddhist Diamond Sutra. Next, what kind of hand printed books were available in Japan? Answer is books on women, musical instrument, calculations, tea ceremonies, flower arrangement, proper etiquette, cooking, and famous places. Next question. Who brought wood block printing technology from China to Europe? Answer is Marco Polo. Next. Who developed the first known printing press? Very important question. Who developed the first known printing press? Answer is John Gutenberg of Germany. Next question. What was the first book printed by first printing machine? Answer is the first book Gutenberg printed was the Bible. Next, who were peddlers? Who were peddlers? The answer is people who roamed carrying little books for sale. People who roamed carrying little books for sale. Who were blots? Who were peddlers? Answer is people who roamed carrying little books for sale. Next, what were Bilotsk blue? What were Bilotsk blue? Answer, these were low-priced small books printed on poor quality paper and bound in cheap blue covers. Next, what did cartoons and caricatures suggest? Answer, the monarchy remained absorbed only in sensual pleasure while the common people suffered immense hardship. Next question. What was children press set up? Where was children press set up? Answer, France in 1856. 7. Next, who were Grimm brothers? Answer is the Grimm brothers in Germany spent years compiling traditional folk tales gathered from peasants. Next, name the earliest best known women novelist. Answer, Jane Austen, Bronte sister, and George Eliot. Jane Austen, Bronte sisters, and George Eliot. Next, what was typical about women novelists? What was typical about women novelists? Answer, the writing became important in defining a new type of women, a person with will, strength of personality, determination, and the power to think. Next, who perfected power-driven cylindrical press? Who perfected power-driven cylindrical press? Answer is Richard M. Hoe. Richard M. Hoe, Hoe. Next, in which language were manuscripts written in India? In which language were manuscripts written in India? Answer, Sanskrit, Arabic, and Persian, as well as in vernacular languages. Next, on what material were manuscripts written in India? On what material were manuscripts written in India? Answer, palm leaves or on handmade paper. Next, when did first printing press come to India? Answer, the first printing press came in Goa with Portuguese missionary in the mid 16th century. Next, what was Bengal Gazette? What was Bengal Gazette? Answer, a weekly magazine that described itself as a commercial paper open to all but influenced by none. Next question, what was Bengal Gazette? Answer is a weekly magazine that described itself as a commercial paper open to all but influenced by none. Next question, which was the first Indian weekly published by Indian? Answer is the weekly Bengal Gazette. Next, name the two Persian newspapers published in India. Answer is Jam-e-Jahanama, Jam-e-Jahanama, Shamsul Akbar. Next, who published religious texts in vernacular in India? Who published religious texts in vernacular in India? Answer is the Naval Kishore Press at Lucknow and Shri Venkateshwar Press in Bombay. Next, which new literary form entered the world of reading? Next, lyrics, short stories, essay about social and political matters, and novels. Next, who produced visual image for the manuscripts in India? Who produced visual image for the manuscripts in India? Answer, painters like Raja Ravi Verma. Next, which book was written by Jyotiba Phule? Answer is Ghulam Giri. Next, which writers have spoken about lower caste system? Answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar from Maharashtra and E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar in Madras, better known as Periyar. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू.